Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Anne and this is the Anne's World. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys a very simple way of making a veil net. So let's get right ahead into the tutorial. So I have my net available. I'm using 5 yards of net. First fold from salvage to salvage, and then from the ends, go ahead and then pin it neatly, and then go ahead and fold it into four again, like so. Okay, so from salvage to salvage, and then you fold it into four so that you have all your edges laid out like that. So this is my open end, okay, and this is my close end. So please watch closely how I'm about to shape it. I'm going to go from this side and blend it to the open ends like that. So quickly make sure that if the cutting you are doing is really neat, okay, make sure you are cutting it really neatly. Okay, do not cut it in a rough way. Make sure you are taking your time, and then you are cutting this really neatly. So I'm going to go in like that, and you see how I'm creating the shape. Yes, that's exactly how you need to cut yours out, okay, depending on the type of shape you want. All right, so I'm just going in to blend it to the other side. So after that, this is my veil trimmings. Yes, it's called veil trimmings. It's available in any bridal shop or any fabric shop that has swag. Okay, so if you go to any fabric shop that has swag, you get veil trimmings. So I'm going to be using this veil trimming for the tip of my net so that it doesn't show. Okay, so first of all, I would like to let you guys know that you need a very medium structured net. Okay, the texture should not be soft, it should be medium. Okay, that's the right net for your veil. Okay, so you need that, except maybe if you don't get that you go in for the softer one. But for a veil you need a medium net, okay, for the veil. So I am going in just to arrange my veil trimming. Okay, so if you will be using the fish line method, okay, you go ahead and pin this, okay, and then go ahead and use your thread and needle to finish this up. Use your monofilament thread, okay, or your fish line thread. But I will be using my glue for this project. Okay guys, I'll be using my glue for this project. Okay, also something to note is the color of your glue. Okay, so if you see this is colorless, okay, and so it's very safe to use in this particular project. But if you have a glue that has a color to it, please do not use it in this type of project. Okay, so I'm going in to just apply my glue to anywhere that I want it to stick, okay, on my net. Okay, so just go ahead and apply your glue in that manner, okay, and then go ahead and stick it to your net. Make sure it doesn't dry on the floor. Okay, so I later went ahead to use my mat because I realized that the glue was also damaging my floor. It's not like a damage, I could remove it, but I didn't want so much work, so I went ahead to change my how do I call it, my surface. Okay, I use my cutting mat for that. Okay, so you could use anything that you have available, or you can just leave it on the floor provided the floor is really neat. Okay, so you can do it as like you want, okay, or as you please. Okay, so like I said, let me refresh your mind and refresh your memory. You need a medium stay net, like medium textured net for this project. And also please do not allow the um the glue, okay, to dry whilst the net is on the floor. It's going to stick to the floor and you can't remove it. Or even your cutting mat, okay, do not allow the glue to dry before you lift it up. Just after applying it for a while, just lift it up so that it doesn't dry together with the mat. Okay, Mhm. I hope I'm making sense here. Okay, so just apply this. After that, just stick it to the net, just like I'm doing, and then lift it up. Okay, do not allow it to be on the net and dry. So just lift it up. Okay, it was getting boring, so I skipped. Yeah, I hope like it's self-explanatory. So I'm almost done with one because I did two rounds because I had a lot of veil nets available. So I had to do two. I had to like repeat the same process twice, but this time around just a little bit above the first one that I did. Okay, so if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, also comment on comment your opinions down below. Okay, so next we are going to be going for the second layer, and then we'll go ahead and attach our comb to this net. So don't go anywhere, we are not done yet. We are not done. Please like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, here is the net. Okay, I'm finding the midpoint, okay, for the net. Okay, so just place your net like so, and then measure the amount that you want it to like drop on your bride. Okay, so do that. After you measure the length you want to place your comb at, and then you pick your comb like so. So there are holes in this comb. These holes I created them by myself because in the market I couldn't find combs that had holes in them, so I had to use my soldering iron to create the holes in like as much as I wanted. So I'm just going ahead to kind of place this comb because this comb is going to go backwards into the hair. So just place it like that. Remember, you need your midpoint to do this. Okay, so if you are confused, if you can't handle your net, just make sure that you place a thread and then a needle and then tie it to create like to kind of make you remember where your midpoint actually is. Okay, so I'm just going in to kind of sew this and attach it to my comb. Okay, I'm attaching the net to my comb just like that. Make sure you are using a monofilament thread because this comb actually has no color. It appears white, but it's how do I say, it's kind of colorless. Okay, so you need a thread that will complement this, and also your net is white but it's very light. Okay, so yeah, so this is it. I'm just attaching my comb through my holes and my comb to my veil through the holes that I have created. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel please while you can. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be giving you a view of how my bride looks. Yes, I'm going to give you a view of how my bride looks very soon. Okay, so I'm done with that. Yeah, I'm done, and I am just going ahead to create my knots, and then yes, so that is it for the veil. One, you need your textured net, that is a medium textured net. You need your either your glue or your monofilament thread, and you need your veil trimmings. That's if the person prefers a veil trimming to a lace trimming. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So let me show you how my bride looks on her day. Okay, so guys, the photographers, like, they really disappointed us. We couldn't get any better like pictures or video out of this, and so this is what we got. And she looked so beautiful, very confident, and smiled throughout, and nothing makes me happier than seeing my bride beautiful, perfect, and so confident.